At Splunk, we're building a safer and more resilient digital world. We help over 11,000 amazing organizations stay secure, adapt to disruptions, and be ready for anything. It's important work, and we do it through the power of us. We're coders and creators, commuters and sorry I was on muters, daycare jugglers and dog parents, makers, thinkers, Python wranglers, and, well, Python wranglers. We love our quirks and range of skills because they create the magic that helps us thrive. That's why we've created a place where you can show up as your most authentic self every day. A place where you can make a difference while exploring new passions. A place where you can work with industry leaders and become one yourself. So bring your skills, creativity, and quirks. You, all of you, are welcome here. Come help organizations be their best and reach new heights with a team that has your back. We can't wait to see the amazing things you'll do with us. Love, Splunk.